So this website I am about to give a short how-to on is called ClassTag. And what ClassTag is a free online resource which allows for parent-teacher communication, and it has a fun social media-like feel. Why ClassTag? My school really struggles with getting parents involved in their student learning, and I feel like something like ClassTag, where it is fun and social media-like, might be a good way to start doing this. So two ISTE standards that align with this. One is to use assessment data to guide progress and communicate with students, parents, and education stakeholders to build student self-direction. So this is a great way to open up that line of communication between parents and students and stakeholders, because they could have access as well. And then educational leaders ensure all students have skilled teachers who actively use technology to meet student learning needs. I am a big advocate of your parents are your first teachers, and so having skilled teachers who are using technology to communicate with their parents is extremely important. And my purpose and goal is to make sure that parents are connected to student learning and to more easily communicate with parents. So when you go to classtag.com, this is what it will look like. And I'm just going to hit get started for you up here in the corner, and that is how I'll lead you through this how-to. So there are three ways you can use ClassTag: a parent, a school leader, and a teacher. Obviously, I'm a teacher, so I would click as a teacher, and really it walks you through it really simply. So send a message, that would be an individual parent message. Announce anything, that is a large group, everyone needs to hear this announcement. Or let's share a moment. Today we took a picture during class of everyone holding up their turkeys, because we did a big turkey Thanksgiving meal, so I could share that picture with my parents. So I am just going to create an example class for all of you. So super simple, just line it up like this. And then this is what it will pull up for you, and you can see over here on the side there are a bunch of tabs. So I'll walk you through each one of those tabs really quickly. First is home. This is what it looks like without any posts, but here is where you'd be able to see all of the posts. So you would have all of your announcements here. The next step is activity, so you can put in events, volunteer requests, to-do items, or schedule a parent-teacher conference. Then the next one is directory, obviously all of your students and your parents' emails, contact information. Then you can earn rewards by having parents be active on here, and you can earn gifts, cards, or pencils. And then there are these are the settings that you are allowed. So you can send a daily summary, allow parents to create activities or post announcements, all of these awesome different settings. And so this is what it looks like on a demo classroom. So these are two posts that teachers have put on the classroom, the class tag, for parents to see. And these are all that the parents can see. So basically, this is just a website for parent-teacher communication, which is just so important to student learning and to parent involvement and buy-in to learning.